How to order from Allchinabuy. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Allchinabuy application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and sign in or sign up to your account. So once you're signed into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the search icon and then search for the item that you would like to buy. Let's say I'd like to search for a wallet. You can go ahead and select any one of them. And once you're inside here, simply tap on add to cart, or if you would like to buy now, go ahead and tap on buy now. Go ahead and simply select the quantity and then color. Once done, tap on buy now again. And just like so, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the destination country and then choose your country. Once done, scroll below and then select whatever you would like. After you're done, tap on checkout. So before you check out, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and tap on verify now and then verify your email. And once you have done that, all you have to do is simply add your payment method, and just like that, you will then be able to order from Allchinabuy. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.